doing a pineapple twist. What you do is you get a piece of square stock and then you put it in a vise or something, and then you get a line chiseled in on all four sides directly in the center. Put it in there, do a full 360-degree twist. After you get done with that, you put it back in the forge, and then you pull it back out of the forge, and then you flatten it back out, make it even. You do the same chisel technique again, and then you throw it back in the forge, and then you turn it backwards a quarter turn. So, yeah, let's see if we can do it.